Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Visite. This is the next tutorial on Java programming. In this tutorial, we are gonna discuss about how to change method overloading by changing data types of arguments. In the previous tutorial, we discussed about how to overload the method by changing number of arguments, and now in this tutorial we're gonna discuss about how to overload the method by changing the data types. Okay, so I have created a error example here. I'm going to add two methods, that is static method, and that data types will be different here. Okay, let's do that. Static int I int v set returns. I'm also going to create another method that is static. So I have given int data type in the previous method, but I'm now here I will give data type double. Okay, and the method name will be same as the previous one. I am giving to double I double b, so it also returns the value a plus b. So I'm going to testing the program. System. I'm giving the value here 12 and almost 1, and I'm also going to calling that another method. So I'm giving value 10, 20 and 40. Okay, so if your program is correct, means you will get the output here, means 20 plus 12, you will get the output as 32, and here you will get the output as 40 plus 30, 70. Okay, now let's check it out. You are 32 and 70. So your program is correct. Okay, in this example we have created two methods that different data types. Here this method have a data types of int, but this method have a data types of double. Okay, first method receive the two integer arguments, and the second method receives the two double arguments. Here first method is it receives the two integer arguments, that is int I int b, but second method receives the two double arguments. Okay, this much for today's tutorial. I hope it helps you to learn on Java. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icons to get the notification of my new videos. See you in the next tutorial.